Hello friends, hope everybody is doing good. Thank you so much for watching the videos and really appreciating them. So today we are going to discuss about the feeling of overwhelming. Do you feel that you have too much going on in your life that needs your attention? Do you find it hard to keep up with demands placed on you and end up feeling burdened? Do you want to release the feeling of overwhelm and feel calm, relaxed, and clear? Yes, today we will find out ways to feel relaxed, calm, in spite of having numerous tasks to finish. We live in a society where being busy is a sign of success. You cannot afford to slow down. You have got to be busy with something or other. What does that result in? Overwhelm. Overwhelm builds up to stress that in turn leads to burnout, and not to mention lifestyle diseases as the time passes by. So what can we do to overcome this feeling of overwhelm? So first step would be to acknowledge the first state of things, such as I'm feeling overwhelmed. You acknowledge what does not feel good and clear it out. Once negative emotion changes, the positive ones take its place. So we can write all the feelings that you associate with being worked out. For example, I feel overwhelmed. So much to do, but never enough time. Something's always pending. I'm always short on time. Life is passing by me. This is no way of life, and many more. So it is your feelings which you have to write down. Feeling of being overwhelmed. Then second steps would be to write down the thoughts that you would like to have when you are calm, stress free. For example, simply stating, I wish I could be calmer, or probably I can do things at my own pace, not running according to the clock. I wish my life wasn't so conditional. I wonder if there is a way that I can stop by to look at the moon, see the rising sun. So what is that you really want to feel calm? Right? Take time out, sit still and get everything done. But why do we have to do everything? No? Why all the things have to be done? The world will not fall apart if all the things are not done. So if I decide to do things at my pace, won't that be right? Yes. So you see, as you start to have these thoughts, you will have positive feelings. And the result would be, while I value my responsibilities, I choose to value me too. I find it easy to feel calm and relaxed. So start to value yourself. You are valuing the time, you are running after that. That is making you overwhelmed. So start to first value yourself. Even though I have so much of time to do and not enough time, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. With these feelings, you will be able to feel so much of relaxed and calm. So friends, think what you want to feel, and then you will do what you feel. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and keep writing your comments down and I will be joining you every Wednesday. Thank you so much.